Hey guys, I just want to do a quick video for you. My name's Tanner. I've been one of Dave's students for a little less than a year now at Seller Academy, and I'm actually headed into my main job this morning, and it's really ticking me off because I've actually, with Dave's help, I've been able to have some really substantial gains in my online business, and I've been, you know, the past couple weeks, if this thing keeps going, then it looks like, you know, towards the end of the year, I won't be working for the man anymore. I'll be working for myself. And so I'm feeling extra grateful for Dave, for his help, for his coaching, his mentoring. It's not easy. It takes a lot of work. There are moments where, you know, I had to kind of step in and do my part in addition to receiving that help from Dave. Nobody's gonna do it for you. And that's the biggest difference, is you've got to step up and own it yourselves. Dave gives you the tools, but you know, you've got to start digging. You've got to do the work to really get where you want to go. And so don't get discouraged. Keep working hard, push through, and I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks so much. See ya.